doesn't matter. The roads are a little washed out. Not too bad. I don't expect this to be
It's not.
rushing or anything because the rain last night's been gentle.
It's not. Still some patches of sand.
No, it's probably no different to yesterday, huh? No, not much different to yesterday, is it?
No, not really.
Looks like it might have been that 28 mil from the storm that ran straight into the creek and brought it up and running. And then this 100 mil has just been still soaking in. Not getting to the creek yet. It has been good soaking rain. From 3 o'clock yesterday non-stop till now. In fact, it's not running as hard now as it was yesterday.
No.
Is it? Oh, maybe it is.
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah, about the same.
Okay, we're going to have a
Jump out that lot.
This is their swimming hole area. Oh, it has. It's come up quite well.
Just really clean now.
Oh, it's lovely. Oh, yeah, nice. Loving it. Loving it. Nice. There's our walking track up there.